Hey Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for what do they want to tell you. We will get messages from your person and see what they want to tell you. We will clarify it with tarot and my oracle decks. So let's begin. Messages from Libra's person spirit. Okay, we have I feel alone and I should have confessed my true feelings to you. Kiss me, make me come. Everything is meaningless and I'm still indecisive. Let's spirit and last message. I'm healing. At the bottom we have maybe one day it will start again. So this person has hope that it may start again between you guys. So there is a chance that you guys are not together right now, or there are some issues between you guys, that things are not same as they used to and they feel everything is meaningless. This person feels alone and they are going through some kind of awakening and they are healing from something. But this person has passion for you, they have that sexual pull towards you, and but they are still indecisive about something, maybe about this relationship. They feel everything is meaningless. So I really feel this person is going through a lot. Maybe they are going through a tower moment. Let's see what this. I feel alone with the Temperance and Nine of Pentacles here. So I feel in a past they walked away from you. Now it could be you that you walked away from this person, but I really feel that they did not give you commitment. They wanted their independence and they were very focused on their coins. Maybe this person wanted, like they wanted to have sex with you, but at the same time they were not ready to give you commitment, or they were not ready to get into something serious. They wanted to keep things light because this person feels the relationship is a trap. So they wanted you to be patient with them, and perhaps they put you on hold in the past and wasted your time, because Sag energy here, Temperance card, and I'm Sag moon, so don't take it personally. So Sagis rarely commit, and that's what I'm getting here, that this person wanted to fix their life. They did not want any codependency here. They left you or walked away from you because they wanted their independence, and now this person is realizing that and they feel alone in their life. Maybe they did it with others as well, that this person was commitment phobic, but now this person is feeling alone, because I really feel this person is alone now. Even if they are dating someone, they are not happy, they are not in a happy space, they feel alone without you, and that's their message for you. Yes, I told you they could be going through a tower moment, so I should have confessed my true feelings to you. This person is realizing that now, that they should have told you that they were scared of relationships instead of rejecting them. Yes, for some of you I'm getting this person rejected you, and now they are going through this awakening. They are realizing that, and they are going through a lot. They could be going through financial issues as well, but I really feel this person is just trying to find a balance in their life emotionally as well. So now they feel they cannot fix it, so they are just wishing for it, that they should have confessed their true feelings to you, and I really feel this person walked away from you. It could be the other way around as well, but Six of Swords here, this person is not in a very happy space. They want to travel towards you. Yes, but they did not let you know that they have emotions for you, or they still want to apologize to you, but they are not going to do that, I feel, because of their ego. and they are missing you, they are feeling alone, but I don't think they are letting you know about it. Or they maybe come up as someone who has everything in their control and who are very happy, but in reality they are not, they are very alone. And it's their ego, they feel they cannot bend in front of you, they cannot be vulnerable in front of you, they cannot express their emotions. That expressing their emotions, confessing it that they have feelings for you, or they are realizing it now that they made a mistake, this makes them restless, they are very uncomfortable thinking about this stuff, and they are not ready to accept that. Something has ended in their life, and I told you, this person, for some of you this person could be trying to enjoy their life and they feel everything is meaningless. Something has ended in their life. What's that, spirit? What has ended in their life? This person is going through a major transformation and they feel everything is meaningless, that it's better to stay alone and make themselves happy rather than focusing on relationships or thinking about others. Now with King of Wands, they are keeping their options open, they are looking for someone who can make them happy and who can be their wife. If this is a heavy fire energy here, Scorpio or Leo, could be any sign, but Scorpio is heavy in this reading, and Sag. So fire sign, I'm getting fire signs here, and Scorpio. So this person really wants someone who can be their wife or a husband, something like that. This person want commitment, they want kids, they want a real deal now, but they are not doing it in the right way. They are keeping their options open, they are exploring their options, and maybe this person is communicating about this stuff with someone, or they just want to talk to you, but they are just keeping their options open. I feel someone has betrayed them, and it's not you, but they are going through some major transformation here. What is that thinking of transfer? Yes, someone has broken their heart, someone has put them in a third party, and it was a love interest. King of Cups here, no, Knight of Cups here. So could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, who put your person in a third party. So this person is very hurt and now they feel it's better to keep things light and just act like a playboy, because everything is meaningless according to them, and they would like to focus on themselves and their finances, on their own growth, and they want to take things slow and take their own time to move ahead in this love relationships, in their love relationships. Now, what is, I'm still indecisive. Yes, Empress, your card, Libra, could be Taurus as well, but they want to work things out with you. At the same time, they feel it's better to focus on their finances, but they are still indecisive how to step forward and come towards you and express their emotions, that they want a growth with you, because they are viewing you as you are an Empress, and they feel you are in your power, you are doing you are doing great, and they are attracted towards you physically and emotionally, and they are seeing you in a very high light. So I feel this person really wants a growth with you, and they are stalking you. Page of Swords, they have their eye on you. Maybe they are not showing it to you, but this person has their eye on you, and they really, they are in the feelings, they feel the love. And with Six of Pentacles, they really want to have a balance with you as well. They really, they are seeking for balance between you guys, and they still have that hope that you still see them as you used to, that you will treat them as you used to, but they are not sure because they feel you have moved on. And even if you have feelings for them, but for now you are just in your power and you are focusing on your own growth and self-love here. So yes, they would like to have your attention, and but they feel you are not up for games now, and they want to have a communication with you, but they feel that you are just not in that energy where you would allow any lies or games. You are very silent on them, and they feel the connection with you, but they are not sure whether you will accept them again or not. Kiss me, make me come, please. Yes, kiss me, make me come, and Ace of Pentacles. This is not about physical intimacy. They want to have something stable with you. For some of you, they want a relationship or even marriage with you, but they are afraid of the conflicts. Five of Wands here. But they want to manifest it with you, this new start. At the same time, they are going to take their time. This person really seeks stability with you, but they feel it has ended, and they feel the distance between you guys, emotional, physical, I don't know. And for some of you, I'm getting that you have blocked this person, or just the communication is blocked, or you are acting very defensive. So this person is afraid of you. They want to apologize to you, they want to express their emotions, but let's see what's healing spirit. Yes, they feel that they are healing from this situation that has ended in their life, that someone has betrayed them or cheated on them. So they are still healing from that. They are protecting their heart. If they are going through financial issues, they are trying to save their money. Yes, but they are healing from something. Star card here. And could be a love relationship. I am seriously getting that this person has put you in a third party in a past, intentionally or unintentionally, but now they are going through the same, that someone has put them in a third party and they were not the chosen one. So I'm really getting this storyline here, that this person has, someone has put them in a third party, and they are healing from that, and they are scared to come towards you because they are just afraid that you are gonna reject them, and they don't want to feel rejected again. So they are trying to ignore the situation, and but at the same time they are manifesting a new love in their life, and it's with you. This start with you, because now they are seeing you as you are. They know your value now. This person really has sexual interest towards you and sexual tension here. So Nine of Swords, they are restless over you, they are up at nights, so they are holding back, but they have their eye on you, and they really have that sexual attraction towards you. And I'm getting that they feel that you are getting attention from multiple people, and this makes them restless. And at the same time, they feel that even if you are away, meaning even if you are not with someone right now, as it's a lockdown, so you may be sexting with them or video chatting with others, and it's about passion here, it's about sex. So this person is fantasizing about that, and these thoughts makes them restless because they feel you have a lot of options and you are dealing with others. But they need to heal now, and they feel that they cannot come towards you for now, but you are their happiness, you are their joy, and there is some kind of truth that is revealed about this situation. So this person, that is stopping them to come towards you, and the main issue is their ego, and they are guilty about it, but they don't want to accept it, that yes, they made a mistake and they need you. But this person actually needs you in their life for now, because they feel you are very happy and they want to feel good about themselves. But this is going to change. If things were stagnant between you guys, then, and if you were very focused on your finances, it could be the other person as well, that someone is very much focused on their own growth, and someone is very silent here, healing from some issues and acting very detached. The situation is going to change, and there is going to be a communication. Wheel of Fortune with Eight of Wands here. Things will move forward, and so I'm getting a communication here. I'm getting things will change. It may take some time because for now this person is feeling very stuck, but things are gonna change. Let me see the outcome. Five of Cups. This person is very disappointed because I feel you are going to reject them or you are not going to take them that easily. So this person is missing you, they are missing the old times, and they feel you are a missed opportunity and they are regretting their own actions. Okay, yes, again, you are doing you and someone want a real deal here, and I feel it's you. But there are still toxic attachments, unhealthy attachments, even if you show it or not, even if you say it or not, but you still think about this person and you still feel that obsession with this person. You are not free from their energy yet, and they could be dealing with a Scorpio, and it is also possible that you are dealing with someone else, a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Capricorn, but you are hiding it from them. Now it could be the other way around as well, but I see a male here, so it is possible. Let's see outcome for both of you. But I feel you are very focused on your finances and on your own growth. Yes, King of Pentacles and King of Cups here. This is not for everyone, but they are into same sex. Someone is gay here. As it's a general read, this message will not resonate with all. This is a specific message for someone. It could be you or the other person. This is not done yet. Let it unfold naturally. Yes. Being with you makes them feel lucky. I told you they need you and you are their happiness, but this is not done yet and they are going to regret about it. They are going to miss you, but the spirit is asking you to let it unfold naturally. Don't reject them and don't take them back so easily. Just go with the flow. Take your time. When they will text you or communicate with you, with this Eight of Wands and Wheel of Fortune, this person will definitely text you. They may take their time, but they will definitely text you. If not at the end of April, then in the beginning of May, you will receive a communication from this person. A new purchase. Trails lies in cheating and higher level of commitment. Makeup 6 at the bottom. So expect patch up here, but the thing is someone is very focused on their finances, and that's because you need to purchase something new, a home, a car, something. You are very much focused on your finances. If it's not you, it is your person. So just apply to a situation because someone needs to buy something and there were lies in this situation because of commitment. But here I'm getting that yes, it is possible that this person hide from you that they were already in a commitment with someone else. But what I'm getting for the majority of you is that this person was commitment phobic and they did not confess it, that they are scared of relationships, and they kept dealing with others to explore their options to avoid this commitment. But now they are realizing their mistakes. Yes, they are going through some kind of ending and it is related to commitment. Ten of Swords with the Hierophant card here. So it is also possible that someone has betrayed them, that they wanted to. But here I feel someone who were their main option for marriage or commitment, they have betrayed this person and now they are going through this pain, this ending. I really feel it is possible that this person has betrayed you in the past, but I'm strongly getting this message that this someone has betrayed this person, someone has put this person in a third party, and this person wanted commitment from that person. They did not give you commitment, but they wanted commitment from that person, and now they are going through that pain. That's why they want to come back to you, because they feel that sexual pull towards you, and now they see your value, they feel that you are doing great, so they need your energy, they want your energy to be in a happy space. So let's get advice from spirit. Advice for Libra spirit. Dignity. Hold your head up high and know the unicorns are supporting you. I told you, if this is your story, that someone has betrayed them and they are coming back towards you, then just do what you feel is right for you. Maintain your dignity. You don't have to take someone back just because you love them. You can love them from a distance. You don't have to drain yourself to just because you love someone, because if they leave once, they can leave you again. If they can live happily without you once, they can do that again, and they will do that to you again. So once a liar, always a liar. So this was your reading, Libra. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching.